This is part 3 of Lovebirds. So, it's his birthday today. And this is how he looks after going to the bathroom and showering.
That has nothing to do with it.
Well, this is Magic Land. You know what? I'm gonna go check on my I'm gonna go check on Joy because her birthday is before me. She's a couple of months older than. Now I need to go get dressed. Oh my gosh, I have to pay all the bills. Are you sure, Mrs. Boss? Yes, I'm sure. You must do everything or you're fired.
What the hell is that?
Ding, 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 ding. Work ended. You better go. You're back to your house. Now come on. Ring. Oh my gosh, she just threw me out my house. Ding dong. Oh my gosh, that must be her. Just come in. Oh, who are you? Me, Jake's son, Jake and. Oh my god! Since we're both like teenagers, can you like be my like boyfriend? Well, we need to see with my dad. Let me call him. Starring in boom, bada boom, boom. Dad? Yes. Can Joey be my girlfriend? She asked me to. Fine. Looks like I can.
Subscribe to GG Cute.
Looks like now I can.
Subscribe to GG Cute.
Stop!
I'm telling everyone to subscribe.
What are you doing over there on your phone?
Because your channel is awesome.
Okay, thanks.
My
dad said okay.
This is
My dad said okay, so like yeah. Yay, perfect. Can you go buy me some hair clips? Ah! Is this
buy her the hair clips.
Was that my mom talking?
Yes, that is your mom talking, and I'm saying that you should buy.
Mom,
her
why
the
do you
hair
sound
clips.
different?
Because I'm dead. What? I don't know.
Say,
Just buy her the hair clips if you really love her.
it's because you're sick.
Or just buy her the hair clips.
I did.
Do you like her or not? Buy her more hair clips then.
I did get her a hair clip. She only wanted one, by the way. By the
She
way,
only wanted one hair clip. Get her whatever she wants.
why? She's not my actual. She's not my wife.
You need to be her wife or else you're gonna be lonely. Like, hey, yo.
I'm only 17. Chill out.
You are lonely.
Buy me a beautiful princess dress, please.
Let's get her the princess dress. She's a princess.
Okay, let me just get you dressed into them.